What is it going to take to reopen the Empire State Building? I had just become a grandfather on February 22nd, 2020. And at the onset of the pandemic, the range of emotions were unbelievable, from disbelief to high anxiety to the concern and fearful for the health of family, friends, staff, and the leadership role that we play as leaders of a business to sort of find your rhythm, to separate work emotions from personal emotions, and to really focus on all that we can control and provide that inspirational leadership to the teams. And we all had to learn and adapt on a daily basis as situations were fluid. What can the software do today off the shelf? And we rolled out a very basic package that enabled us to actually convert the attraction in less than a month into a time-ticketed attraction and implement the requirement to reserve their spot in advance, whether as a reseller or retail consumer. I really feel for everyone in this industry. We've been dealt a severe blow. That's the reality. We need to be nimble. We need to adapt. We need to learn. And we're learning every day. I remind myself to only focus on the things we can control and really engage the team to the highest possible level to really get true feedback and really pivot quickly. And I encourage everybody to, prepare for the worst, but certainly be surprised by the best. You'll be surprised by the results and positively feel good about what you've been able to achieve.